Absolutely not. Our chiropractors respect and care for your body way too much to do that. As part of that consultation and assessment, our chiropractors go away and analyze your findings. We literally spend up to 30-40 minutes after that session going through those findings first to find out exactly where the problem is, what needs to be adjusted specifically, and how it needs to be adjusted so that we can be as specific as possible for you in your care so we can get you the best result possible.